Hello everybody, welcome to Simple Forex Trader, and today we're trading the USD against the Swiss francs. Okay, so we're trading at the London Open. So sorry about the video before. The music comes up with a copyright, so I don't want to have any music in the background anymore. Probably keep it low. So we're going to start now. So on the charts here, we actually just trade this London Open session about an hour ago. Yeah, just under an hour, and we're already out of this trade. Okay, so we place a stop loss up here. Okay, so this is where we place a stop loss. So I'm going to write this up for you. Okay, so nice and easy. There you go. Can you see that properly? Yeah, okay. Stop loss here. We also place the entries here. Yeah, so entry is here. So we enter this trade. Entry here. Just going to type it in so you can actually see. All right, and then we've got our take profit is here. Let me just, we actually enter this trade here, right here, for 50 pips. So we start 50 pips. Yeah, about there. Yep, about there. Let's make that bright red so you can see how we trade that. So here, so you can actually see now I've actually come down further, probably another 50 pips already. But we just want to take it easy and just take our profit and go, and not worry about trying to become too greedy on trades. We just need to stick to the rules, and the rule is easy. So we enter here and we exit here 50 pips, and our take profit is here, sorry, here, and stop loss is here. So stop loss is about 25 pips, and trade's done, guys, for the day. So that only take probably less than an hour when it hits our 50 pips profit. All right, so thanks for watching. I'm going to post this now, and forget the previous video. We'll definitely have that removed shortly, but that's how we trade this London session for this pair. Thanks for watching. Bye.